Thank you. Good morning, guys. Hope you're doing well and welcome back to another weekly vlog. I'm just getting ready for the day. I'm off to meet my friend Angie to do a bit of a shoot. I'm actually meeting up with one of my girls for lunch. We're going to Caravan, Exmouth market, kind of like near Angel. That'll be really lovely. So really lovely social day. It's gonna be really nice outside. So I've picked a good day to be social. I think it's gonna get to like 17 degrees, which will just be so lovely. So yeah, so that is the plan for today. It is 8:30. I have an hour until I have to leave, so I'm on a good schedule. Yeah, I'm just gonna get ready. Hal's just made me a delicious smoothie. Stunning. And yeah, we're gonna carry on getting ready. So guys, I am ready to head out the door. I'm wearing my first outfit that I'm shooting in, and then just this blazer because I'm wearing this later when I go and sit outside to have lunch with my friend Ellie. Yeah, I'm just wearing this really nice maxi dress from H&M, some Veja trainers, and then this Zara blazer. I've got my bag ready to go, and yeah, ready to head out the door. Having a bit of entertainment.
Get it going, man. Get them riled up. Come on, you're doing it. You're doing a great job.
You're doing a great job, sweetie. You go, Glen Coco. You go, Glen Coco. So guys, I've just finished shooting with my little Angie. We've ended up in Covent Garden, which has been, I haven't been here in a very long time.
And we found, well, I showed her a very good coffee.
Oh, what's it called?
Stop. I mean, I've literally
Arzo.
just completely like demolished it in one second. And it's called Arabiaca. And if you go, order a Spanish latte.
What's the
I had it with oat milk. Well, basically,
is it just how the coffee?
No, it's got condensed milk at the bottom.
Yeah. Yeah. Interesting.
But I kind of, mine is such an oxymoron because what I do, I mix it with oat milk, even though I'm like,
they're like
condensed milk, and they're like,
I'm like, it just tastes better. So we've had a lovely day. We're like Westminster, came here, sun is shining, and now I'm gonna walk to, where am I walking? Clerkenwell. So it's gonna take me 30 minutes, which would be nice. But bye bye, little Angie. So I've just done some marinating. I've got tofu in here. I've actually added some cashews because I think that'll be really nice roasted. I've got chili, agave, grated ginger, garlic. Also got some soy sauce, gluten-free soy sauce like a tamari, salt and pepper, fresh chili, fresh ginger, fresh garlic, lime. So we've got it all in there, and a bit of rice vinegar. And what I'm doing is just slowly coating it with some gluten-free flour, and then I think I'm going to fry it off. But I'm just wanting to make it crispy, and that will be really lovely. So I'm gonna make a tahini dressing. So it's super easy. All you're gonna do is do a couple tablespoons there. What's so amazing about it as well is that you can just add to it, you can save it. It's just a really yummy, super easy dressing. Glug of oil, agave, some soy sauce, sriracha, and there you go. Super quick, super easy, and that's gonna last us for a few meals. And I'm gonna put that in the fridge because it's really nice cold. So now I'm going to clean up. So guys, this is dinner. Salad, peas, roasted butternut squash. Tofu is crisping away. Lovely. I think it's done now. So yeah, so we're gonna serve this up. Helena's home from her little adventure. And yeah, gonna tuck in. And that is the final result. A roasted butternut tofu cashew salad. So we're gonna tuck into this. And we're also watching The One on Netflix, and pretty good. Good afternoon, guys. Catching up with you today on a later time schedule. I have been just doing bits and bobs today and nothing really interesting to show you. Doing just loads of admin this morning. Just been filming some outfits and ways to style. I've now just got myself ready because later on Helena and I are actually going to go to Sloane Square. I've kindly been invited by Lillet, a vermouth spirit brand. They're doing a collaboration with Colbert Cafe, which is like literally on Sloane Square, and yeah, they've kindly invited me along with a +1 to go and trial out some cocktails, and yeah, which will be very rude if I didn't. So yeah, so we're gonna head over there around like just after 5 because we got to get there for 6. And yeah, this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this Topshop blazer, Zara body, and some black trousers I got from H&M, which I just love. I just think they're so comfortable, quite smart as well, and then a pair of Converses, and yeah, just kind of like a smart casual look. I think I'm gonna wear a trench coat as well because I think it's gonna be a little bit cold. Also, I found my bangle. Oh my god, I lost the structured one and I really didn't know where it went, and I thought it went into my Depop packages. So yeah, so I've got an hour and a bit to catch up on some emails, and I might edit my vlog, which is going live next week, which is very, very organised. Oh, I'm actually planning to sell some bits on Depop, so I'm gonna quickly post those as well. But yeah, I thought I'd quickly show you my outfit, and yeah, I'll take you along with her.
Someone who lives whose that roof terrace is theirs.
Oh, can we get on
I keep saying that. I'm like, shit.
Hello guys. We're all glammed up. We're off for drinks, and actually, apparently there's pancakes, le crepes. So we're going there now. It's a bit cloudy, but it's warm, which is the good thing. House is still wrapped up. But I just got like a blazer and body on, but hopefully there will be some heaters and some blankets, and I'm sure the vermouth will be warming our cockles up. Is that the right terminology? But yeah, we're gonna walk there as well, so getting some steps in, which is fabulous. We went for a run this morning, now we're walking, look at us. And yeah, we'll see you guys when we get there. Yum, 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 yum. Stunning. Cheers, darling. Chin, cheers. Cheers. Cheers for that. Stunning. Yum, thank you so much. Those are your pancakes coming. Oh wow. Yeah. Helena's second course of the day. Third. Well no, second course of the meal. So we've gone for a mixture, chocolate, whipped cream. Oh, you got your whipped cream.
I got everything. Oh, I'm a whipped cream guy every day.
And I got drinks. So cold. We're just waiting for the bus to take us all the way home, and something for me to eat because
I've had 2 crepes and the charcuterie board, and Amelia's had
a fraction, a sliver,
some pickles,
and a plain bit of gluten-free bread.
Yeah.
I'm on a diet.
Free drinks.
Free drinks.
So thanks, Lily.
They were great. I want to order some more.
Yeah. We'll be ordering for the house. For the bar.
For the bar.
You look cute.
Do you know what we need? We need the vermouth glasses.
Yeah. Well, they did it in like proper wine glasses.
Oh yeah, true. I still want those glasses.
But we just for the straight hitters of the vermouth, which is us. Ow.
That actually looks really lovely. Is that Cavalier Nero? Yeah. Stunning. Like charred. Charred? Celeriac. Oh my god. It feels like forever ago we did celeriac. Delicious, delicious, delicious. We've just had some dinner and we finished watching The One. Oh my god, if you haven't watched it, you need to watch it. It's very good. It's intense, but it's like it's not that bad. So we've just finished that, and there's only one series, so a bit gutted about that one. So now we're chucking on some Gilmore Girls, and I'm just making a cup of tea, and I'm gonna call it a night. So I will catch you guys in the morning. So guys, I've just finished my Wellness Wednesday. I don't think actually I've vlogged anything today. It's just been literally an admin day. I've just been editing, I've just been doing computer admin bits, but I did a Wellness Wednesday. I did my self-tanning routine and just spoke about the products that I just love. I absolutely love them. So it was really exciting, and I was getting everyone hyped because one of the favourite products has been announced that it's going to be relaunched on the 20th of May, which is really cool. And I had the power to tell people that, and it was just so exciting. So yeah, really happy how it went. It is now 6:30, just gone 6:30. So I've just put my normal clothes back on. I'm just gonna sit in front of the computer and put some TV on, wait for Hels to get back. She's gone for drinks after work, which is really lovely. So yeah, we have some all plant milk which need trialing, which we're really excited about, so we're gonna use one of those up. Okay, so I'm gonna put one of these in for me because Helly Boo Boo is a little bit late. So I'm gonna put this in, and then when she texts me, I'm gonna put hers in. So I'm actually having the tempeh rendang curry. In the microwave it takes 7 minutes, and in the oven it only takes 25 to 30 minutes, which is lovely, and that's what I'm gonna do. So yeah, I'm gonna cook this now and then show you the results. So this is the tempeh rendang curry. I do have a discount code, so I will leave it down below. But it just smells so incredible. I ended up putting it in the microwave and it only took 7 minutes. So I'm gonna chuck into this, and I will catch you guys in the morning.
What the hell? Oh my god, what?
Had a very cute delivery from H&M.
Incredible from H&M.
Oh.
They've sorted you out.
So this is in collaboration with a brand called Lillet. Let's focus in. And they've just sent us the most, oh, I can see olive oil. Oh my god. Is this a picnic blanket?
Looks like a towel.
So, you're right. How?
Like a beach mat.
Oh my god, that's so cute. Oh my god, I cannot wait for our picnics. So we got a little towel, got some recipes, candles.
Amazing.
Stunning. Got some basil, which we were in desperate need of. Little table napkin runners. This pasta, I wish I could eat this pasta. Oh my god, how beautiful is that pasta? It looks like those rainbow sweets.
Yeah.
Oh wow. And then we got some basil, which was very needed. And we got a little plant pot, which is just stunning. So cute. That would look actually quite cute there, wouldn't it? Stunning. Got a little plate.
That's such a nice pasta bowl, wow.
So nice. Oh my god, I'm so jealous you can eat that. And then Homestyle Cookery book by Matty Matheson. Got that. And then we got some olive oil.
Yum.
So cute. And then
Are these the clothes?
yeah, I got, so I was allowed to pick some. Oh my god, that's so cute. So I got a little caftan. This was, I ordered this shirt. I thought this was such a nice shirt.
Oh, it's so nice.
Nice minty green. A little dress. That's cute. It's like a nice runaround dress. I feel like this is very you.
Wow. That's
so
very cute.
Beautiful. I got a tablecloth.
Perfect.
I got a tablecloth. Oh my god, thank you so much H&M, that's so lovely.
What a surprise.
And just look at that. Look at it. So I've just filmed a little IGTV making these spring summer rolls. I tried to make them as pretty as possible. It was actually quite harder than you think, and I made like a little satay sauce. So me and Hals are gonna tuck into these for lunch. So guys, we're in Oliver Bonus. Everyone's having a crazy night on the park, and me and Hals' night is shopping. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. Really cute. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, these plant pots. I love the little legs. I actually featured that in my Valentine's story. Pots. Little jug. Gravy jars?
Gravy boats. That's so nice. Look at these ditty bibbies. Really nice vases. Emilia does not need an. Oh, but look at. Oh my god, that one.
So guys, it's Saturday now. I don't know when the last time I vlogged with you last. But, oh, I think it was out of a bonus. But Hells and I have a little outing today. We're both kind of very excited, but very nervous. Because this is like the big event. One of our friends has booked, I think 3 pubs. And, yeah, it's 2 o'clock and we're starting at 3. So we don't know where this night's going to take us, but we made sure we had a big brunch. We had like avocado and toast, a big smoothie, we've done a workout, we had a really nice lie-in-ish. So yeah, and we're ready to go. So I'm wearing some longer trousers because I thought as well, Hells was wearing flares and I quite like the flares, and then I thought they'd be quite nice and warm. So I'm wearing these Fourth and Reckless trousers, a black body and a trench. But then I just got some bags from All Saints, which is very lovely. So I will do definitely an unboxing in next week's vlog. But I got this white bag and it fits my jumper and another layer in. So I am ready to go. And yeah, and then I'm just wearing my vintage Converses. So yeah, so quite happy with this outfit, quite cool and like good layers. I can add more layers, a jumper and another top so I'm warm. But I believe that the place where we're going to does have heaters and blankets and stuff like that, so I think we'll be okay. If not, I'll just nick other people's layers. But yeah, really excited. I'll try and film some bits on my phone, but I definitely won't vlog because I think there's like, I don't know how many of us there are. We've got 2 tables I think, or 1 table, I can't remember. We shall see how it goes. Wish us luck.